This is I love this one. This is just really hard. I mean, bad image right there looks like a mini F-16. Look at that. You got two wings. You got a fuselage, the canopy. I don't know. Looks pretty cool, but it's definitely not a solid object because there it is, right there, right above the mouse arrow. And you're gonna see it coming in this way. Here it is. It is coming over the tree line. It is. Looks like there's multiple. It looks like it's flying, but you can see right here. This is there is motion blur, so it is going pretty quick. But either way, 120 frames per second still should pick this up. But it's just very hard to see. You guys see this here, right? This thing. This is under intelligent control. It is completely translucent, and as soon as it goes in the clouds, yeah, that's it. It's gone. So we're gonna watch it backwards now. It's gonna fly in here. It's gonna go over the trees, and it's gonna drop down into a bunch of trees in this area right over here. You see it reversing. It's going up. There it is, and it's right there, and it drops down into the right there. If you have a big screen, you'll see it right there come out of the tree. See that little white dot? There it is. It's going down into the tree area. Again, another thing I see all the time, these things coming out of trees, and they're translucent. So when they land, they go into a tree and they become like the Predator did back in the 90s. They become translucent, so as long as they're still, you can't see them. If you're looking right at the tree, it'll be right there, you can't see it. But the second it moves, it becomes whatever it is, and it moves up. There it is. It's coming up and out. Here it comes, and right past the camera. I don't know, guys. I'm going to go a little zoom here. We got a little zoom. All right. You can see this thing right there. See that white dot? There it is. There it is. Wow. This is I love this one. This is just really hard. I mean, bad image right there looks like a mini F-16. Look at that. You got two wings. You got a fuselage, the canopy. I don't know. Looks pretty cool, but it's definitely not a solid object because we should be able to. I mean, what do you think? Right there, it's pretty blur. I don't know, man. This is a tough one. You got. I don't know what is that. That is just a reflection of the sun. But if I see the reflection of the sun, you guys, does that mean this is reflecting? I mean, I don't know, because it's moving with the object. But there's no object down here. I mean, these things could be morphing space and time. I don't know. Nobody really knows what these things are. These things could be just another species living on the planet with us that have just been unknown to our eyes because they're just too fast, and now we have this point of view where we can look down from a drone, and we see these things quite often with drones. I have a lot more. I will be bringing more to you guys. Guys, this is what is this? I know some of you are gonna be like, it's motion blur, it's a drone, it's a bird. It's not. Okay, it's not. This is not a bird. That right there is not a bird. That is not a drone. That is something entirely different. Hey guys, well, hope you enjoyed this one. We got many more to come. Guys, be good, stay tuned, and we'll see you in the flip.